Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountryschiccottage.net here today with another fun Cricut craft. You might just pick up a lunchbox and then bring it home and personalize it with your Cricut. So I added a cute donut design to this lunchbox, but you could add a name, any kind of quote you wanted, just about anything to the front when you have a Cricut machine and some iron on. So let's see how to do that. So maybe you pick up a plain lunch bag and then you can kind of customize it to what your kids like. So let's get into the lunch bag portion. So here we have our lunch bag. So then I took iron on and I cut it on my Cricut machine. So I'm going to do a layered effect with the donut itself. And then this piece is all one piece. So I'm actually going to press it with my Cricut Easy Press. So you could use an iron instead, but just be sure to check the heat settings for the type of iron on you're using. And then for this, I'm going to put it on this pocket. So I'm going to put the Easy Press mat inside of this. Then I'm going to add my vinyl to the front. I'm going to cover this with a mat that's intended for iron-on. So what this mat does is it actually protects the surface, and I use this anytime where I'm not sure of the substrate that I'm pressing on, which I'm not sure exactly what this bag is made out of, so I'm going to use this to protect it. And then this is actually the smallest Easy Press. We're just going to press it down. And we'll allow that to cool. Then we'll just peel back this liner. Being careful, making sure everything is stuck down. And then we're going to layer on the second portion, which is kind of the icing on the donut. But we don't want to get, we don't want to mess up the rest of this that we've already added. So I'm going to put the carrier sheet back down and make sure everything's covered. And then once again, I'm going to add this protective sheet and I'm going to press once again with my Easy Press. Then once that's done, we can just pull this off, pull our protective sheet off, and then we're going to need to let this cool before we peel that back. Especially this is a patterned vinyl that I made the icing out of. Then we'll just pull the carrier sheet back and reveal our cute personalized design on our lunchbox just that quick. We'll remove our Easy Press mat, and this lunchbox is ready to fill. Just pack in your snacks and you're ready to go. So this project is actually super simple, and it makes a great addition for back to school. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we have tons of Cricut crafts like these all the time. And if you have any questions or comments, please ask them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you all for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.